Hello and welcome to another pop-up workshop brought to you by Popupology. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make this very simple but elegant Eiffel Tower design. And in order to begin, you will need to download just the free PDF from my website www.popupology.co.uk, which has a direct link just beneath the screen right here. So once you have printed the color-coded PDF and cut out all the lines indicated, you should end up with something like this. Just make sure when it comes to the fold lines, as indicated on the PDF template, those lines should be cut as well, but just along the sections that are indicated. So these little white bits should remain as tabs to keep the structure intact. So just to bear in mind with this fold is, although it is very simple in the way that the template is constructed, and it will be quite a simple one to cut as well, the folding will take a little bit longer than you might expect because of these very narrow ridges which constitute the two tiers of the tower itself. So just make sure that every stage is done together. So every fold at every separate area of the design, as much as possible, is done in conjunction with each other. So what we'll do is, to begin with, is just to establish the baseline crease, which is the spine of the card, just slightly. You can do a little bit of pressing forward on the base of the structure as well from behind, but literally just to this degree of fold, so very shallow degree so far. And then you just move up to the second tier, and whilst supporting this mountain fold from behind with a couple of fingers, you will require all your digits literally in this sort of process. You want to just push out the next level whilst at the same time putting some pressure on the level beneath it. And again, just do this very gently and with a bit of patience, so just avoid any abrupt movement. And then you go up to the third level, which is the top of our tower, and that just needs to be pushed out right to the top. And again, there is this tiny little platform here which needs to be pushed out from the back. And you can do this, actually, you can help this along by just pinching this tower section and just pushing it up along with the level beneath it. This is the areas where you might encounter some resistance in the paper, so just make sure you're very careful and just very delicate with this process of folding, especially these mounting folds at the front protruding here. So just press up, kind of supporting it with the finger from behind. Just press upwards, and again just shift from tier to tier so that you are eventually establishing the creases more and more. And you can go to the baseline as well, just to fold over slightly. Again, it all helps the structure along. And as you're getting close to a 90-degree level, just again, as you can see here, press forward with your thumb whilst you have a finger just beneath it from the back, and try and keep this level neat and crisp. And then at this stage you can just go to the top and press it a little bit further up. And now we should be ready to just eventually but carefully collapse our shape down like so. Now this is not fully collapsed yet. I would just suggest that maybe you could just press it forward as you're collapsing it once it's in a closed or semi-closed position, and just move down from the back, making sure that you don't break any of those little tabs, and just smooth it down until you have a totally flat model. And then all that remains is for you to open the structure, and you should end up with a crisp fold on all these levels. And really it just takes slightly longer than you would expect with the other tutorials that I've shown you, but it's worth it in the end, because if these levels crease, they will become quite weak and it will affect the way that your card functions. So I hope you will enjoy this tutorial and making this card, and do check out the rest of my origamic architecture collection workshop wise on the website www.popupology.co.uk, and I'll hope to see you soon for my next tutorial. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye.